Waking up to flatlining views every morning sucks, right? But give me 2 minutes. Yeah, the same 2 minutes it takes to argue with the self-checkout machine at the supermarket, and I'll show you how to get loads more free views. First, stop asking people to subscribe. Here's the truth, subscribers do not guarantee views. If they did, half the channels on YouTube wouldn't look like abandoned theme parks. When you ask a viewer to subscribe, what you're really saying is, I hope one day you come back. Spoiler alert, they don't have to, and they often won't. They'll wander off to videos of cats being stupid, cooking fails, and people building flamethrowers in their sheds. But if you get the viewer to watch another one of your videos right now, that's instant proof you know how to keep people on the platform. And because of that, YouTube is going to throw you a little algorithmic high five. Now don't get too clever and try to use this technique at the beginning of a video. That's like offering somebody dessert before you've even shown them to their seat. Instead, deliver on the thumbnail and the title first. Give the viewers what they came for. Make them feel satisfied. Then, and only then, point them to the next thing. And that's what end screens are for. As a case in point, this video directed viewers to watch another video on our channel. Well, there is one monumental subscriber error that almost every single creator commits. And if you want to know what that is, start watching right now. And that video benefited from an additional 87,000 views, essentially for free. So here's the rule. Stop wasting time asking people to subscribe and instead send them straight to another video. Like this one that highlights plenty more bad habits small creators get into and how you can avoid them. Was that 2 minutes? Nailed it.